Mati Travis from Kenya, and currently a student at the University of Nairobi pursuing my undergraduate degree in economics. And come along with me, I take you through my experience with Sankiana. So what course I joined? The first question here is what course I joined in Sankiana. So I chose data science. This is because I'm an economics student, and being a huge statistics forming a huge part of economics, I really needed to supplement it, since I'd realized that mostly of late economic reports are being released with in some programming languages, e.g. R. So I really needed to supplement my economics degree, and that's why I chose data science. And I know we should just let you know that my favorite part is statistics with Python. The second question here is what scholarship I got. Okay, so I got the gold scholarship. It entailed the 80%, 80% covered. So I was left with the 20%, which I was to pay by myself. Yeah. So the third question is the training duration. Okay, the training takes 105 learning hours, I think, from I'd say from highly trained tutors. So personally, I started last year. It was the end of last year, around September, and I'm expected to be done by March. So in a few weeks' time, I should be completing the course. So the fourth question here is the trainer's name. Okay, the trainer's name is Madam Tapaswini. Yeah, Madam Tapaswini. And the last question here: do I recommend the course to anyone? Yeah, I do. If you love anything to do with tech or programming, I'd really recommend this to you. And a disclaimer though, if you only have enough time to do it, because if it's your first time and you're trying to do it as your side hustle, to say, you'll really not learn much, because it requires a lot of practice, and you need to keep doing it almost every time for you to perfect yourself, and also to allow yourself have the exposure in that particular field. Yeah, thank you.